What's up, guys? So I have a quick update on this CRKT Shock. All right, showed this. I was definitely surprised by getting it, wasn't expecting it. I've been using it since. It's actually not as like crazy and ridiculous as you might think because it's so big. I mean, it is. It's a huge knife, but it actually carries in the pocket totally fine. It works totally fine. So I was kind of getting used to using it, and I was excited about, eventually doing a review. But I'm making this video as an update because it's being sent back to CRKT. I got a message from them basically saying that they had some issues with these stop pins / thumb studs. All right, on a couple models, I guess they were breaking. All right, so what they want to do is basically recall the knife, make sure that every version of it, there was only 200 of them made, make sure that they're all good to go. What they mentioned in the message was that the purpose of this knife is really just to show pushing the envelope, making the strongest knife they've ever made before. Not only with the deadbolt locking mechanism, but just the entire knife in itself is supposed to be their strongest knife ever. But I'm also here to tell you that my initial impressions of actually using this knife was pretty surprising. I mean, like, it seems kind of gimmicky, right? It's this huge overbuilt knife. Who's going to use this thing? Anyone can use this thing. It actually fits in the pocket totally fine. I mean, the only negative to EDCing it, let's say, which I don't think anyone would really do anyway, would just be the weight. The pocket clip, as I mentioned, there's only one screw that's contacting, the handle. It's only mounted by this one screw. That's why there's that little bit of wiggle there. And I kind of thought that'd be an issue with carry, but it's not. It's sitting on this smooth carbon fiber scale. All right, so it slips in the pocket very easy. It also comes out very easy, but I thought because it came out really easy that it would kind of fall out, especially because it's heavy. But the opposite happened. Because it's so hefty and chunky, it stays in the pocket, doesn't want to go anywhere. All right, so I mean, if you're carrying a bunch of stuff, obviously it's probably a no-go for you just because of the extra weight. But if you don't care about weight, which some people don't, and you want like a beastly knife, I mean, it is a really, really cool knife. But it's far more usable actually carrying it and using it than I thought. So you guys are going to see a battle box video opening maybe tomorrow, because I just filmed it, and I used this knife to open the box. I mean, I was just cutting some tape and stuff, but off camera I did some cardboard cutting, and it's comfortable. It's a heavy duty knife. It really is. But I mean, they want to make it right. Obviously there's a slight issue there. Want to make sure everyone's knife is good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another video. And if you happen to be watching these day by day as I make them, you get a little sneak peek. Tomorrow's video is going to be the battle box unboxing, which was quite interesting. And there's a very cool knife in that as well. You never know what I'm going to post. I never say what I'm going to post because most times I don't even know. But just so happens I just filmed that video, so at least you can expect that one tomorrow. So that's it. Have a good one, guys. Take care.